Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to make shadow recovery masks. Start by selecting darker areas of the image using tonal selection methods and refine them carefully in mask overlay mode to maintain natural gradients. Apply the mask and lift shadow details using curves or exposure adjustments while keeping contrast intact. Use low opacity brushes to refine transitions and avoid flat or washed out results. Optional tips include adding slight noise or texture to recovered areas to maintain realism. Shadow recovery masks allow you to restore lost details while keeping the image visually balanced.